So really your main concern is, or the main concern I have for your skin is really just the dehydration and the scarring. That is something that you'll find best results with, like just kind of with what you're doing at home, as long as you're consistent with it. And we can definitely talk about a skin plan for you when we're done with this, of course.
Okay.
Looking at, and she's exactly
this
right.
over you one more time?
Cool.
So, in the face, at the upper cheeks, ice pick, acne, or anything with like little small jagged rips into the face. Yours are superficially small, which is a great thing. A chemical peel would be like another option for you, and we have that coming next week, or by the time you come in another time. It's a little stingy and itchy on the skin areas, but it will soften up those areas. And so next time we can offer a chemical peel as well.
Okay.
And Alexandra, she's wonderful at it. We're all wonderful at it. We're just getting it in finally. We had to pick up a great brand that's actually safe for people's skin. Not all chemical peels are really, really good for people's skin. It breaks them out. But yeah, this could actually be smoothed out just from the chemical peel. It's a little abrasive, but we have cold water. We will calm it down, and you'd be surprised after about 2 to 3 treatments, it goes smooth.
Okay.
So you have brand new skin.
Okay.
All right, and that's all I said. He's doing a great job.
Thank you so much.